Welcome, cosmic travelers, to Space Radio, your portal to the universe's most profound mysteries. Tonight, we embark on an extraordinary journey, from the perplexing objects that fall from our skies to the ancient stardust that seeded existence itself. Our cosmos is a tapestry of ongoing discovery, constantly challenging our perceptions of what lies beyond and within. Our journey begins closer to home, yet still shrouded in enigma. Across the vast expanse of Australia, strange metallic spheres have once again descended from the heavens, sparking both curiosity and concern. These spaceballs, likely pressure vessels from an unknown launch vehicle, serve as a stark reminder of the growing cosmic junkyard orbiting our planet. These resilient relics, often crafted from titanium, are engineered to withstand immense pressures, explaining their improbable survival through fiery reentry. While authorities investigate their origins, the incidents underscore a critical challenge: the need for responsible space operations and controlled reentries. The very act of reaching for the stars now demands we also manage what we leave behind. But the skies above hold more than just falling debris. They bear witness to Earth's own volatile breath. In July 2026, vast plumes of brown carbon, born from Canadian wildfires, choked the air across North America. NASA's Advanced GEOS model tracked these toxic aerosols, revealing how terrestrial infernos can profoundly impact air quality across continents, turning skies hazy and hazardous. Yet, even as smoke blankets our populated lands, our satellites reveal unseen wonders. The U.S.-India NISAR satellite, with its powerful L-band radar, recently unveiled a stunning hummingbird image of Antarctica. This mesmerizing map, showcasing intricate patterns of magenta and green, reveals hidden stresses and deep crevasses in the ice, a testament to the dynamic forces shaping our frozen continent. From Earth's immediate environment, we now leap billions of years into the cosmic past, guided by the incomparable James Webb Space Telescope. Webb has begun to unlock the secrets of the early universe, peering into the factories that first filled the infant cosmos with stardust. These primordial dust clouds were the essential building blocks for galaxies, stars, and eventually, life itself. By studying a nearby dwarf galaxy, Sextans A, a cosmic twin to those of the early universe, Webb identified ancient dust factory stars. These stars, roughly 1.5 times the mass of our Sun, formed billions of years ago, exploding as supernovae to disperse the heavy elements that enriched subsequent generations of stars. This incredible data paints a vivid picture of how the universe evolved from a simple hydrogen sea into the complex, element-rich cosmos we inhabit. From the unexpected debris falling to Earth, to the invisible smoke that drifts across continents, to the ancient dust that birthed galaxies, every discovery deepens our understanding. These stories are threads in the grand tapestry of existence, reminding us that our planet is but a small part of an infinitely complex and interconnected cosmos. Join us again, next time, as Space Radio continues to explore the wonders that unite us all.